If you love kebabs and you love chilies, then this recipe is for you. These are chilies stuffed with masala and the kebab mixture is wrapped around them. I air fried these. You can pan fry them or make them in the oven as well. So I've taken some chicken keema here. You can use lamb, beef or mutton as well. Then I added the ginger garlic paste and the vegetables and an egg. Then add all the spices that are listed on the screen. The flour that I used here is whole wheat flour. You can use plain all purpose flour as well. And I added some cornflour or cornstarch for the crispiness. Mix everything and set this aside. I've taken achar gosht masala. This masala can be easily found in all the supermarkets, Asian supermarkets, even in Asda, Tesco or Sainsbury. I took some chilies and these are the spicy ones because I love spicy food. Add the achar gosht masala mixture in them and then stuff them with that. Then put some water on your hands and spread the kebab mixture. Place the chili in the kebab mixture and then wrap the kebab mixture around it. It looks hard, but it isn't. Trust me on that. It's very easy to do. And then place all the kebab chilies in the air fryer basket. I lined my air fryer basket with baking paper. You can choose not to do that. Then I made some stir fried onions. I make these with all the dishes like kebabs and fish dishes, and these go very well with them. Once the onions are ready, set these aside and then take out the kebabs. You have to flip the kebabs after 15 minutes. I air fried these on 200 degrees Celsius on high heat so they don't release any water, and then serve these with the onions. These go very well with dal rice or naan.